Want to support me? Go to Nene Marie 37 on Instagram and purchase you a signed copy of my book. You want to support me? Go to TikTok. Follow me at Trenches News 3837. Best audio book out on Spotify, man. Make sure y'all go check out Video Nocturnal. Yo! It's your boy Trenches News, and I'm back at y'all with another one. Appreciate all the support. Thanks for everyone who subscribed to the channel. If you ain't subbed to the channel, make sure you do. Make sure you join the membership. Shout out to all my mods. If you ain't following them, you can follow their at the end of this video. Remember, if you got anything extra, food, hygiene, clothes, bag it up, take it outside, and give it to the less fortunate. Remember, we all one step away from being homeless. Mother Nature could come destroy everything, and now you homeless, so make sure you get back. With that being said, let's say the kids, the women, the elderly, the neutrons, and the civilians. Happy Tuesday to everybody. I will be going live tonight, so make sure everybody there. I appreciate all y'all love support. You want to support me? Go to Nene Marie 37 on Instagram and purchase you a signed copy of my book. If you want promotion, holler at me at Swiper3837. And if you got anything extra like coats, stuff that's keep you warm, man, thermals, sweaters, hoodies, sweatpants, take it outside and give it to the less fortunate, man. Hey, I got the update on Lil Durk them at court. Lil Durk in the OTF 5. Now, we know that Lil Durk was in a bad situation, man. They saying that Lil Durk booked 3 flights, try to escape from the feds. According to the feds, that's how they looking at it. He tried to escape. Then we got him texting OTF Diddy saying, don't put the cars in my name. And then we got him on a plane with Grant. Now, remember I said Grant. He was on a plane with Grant now. Okay, so Lil Durk got the best lawyers. The rest of them ain't got no lawyers. They got all appointed government people. And the best lawyers he would need. Now, Lil Durk flew on a plane with this guy named Grant to California, and Grant went to go and purchase guns, cars, and everything they needed to go and track down Quando Rondo, according to the feds. Diddy, Asa Houston, Brown Eyes, and the other guys, they flew from Chicago to track down Quando Rondo. They know this. They got them on camera and everything else. Now, they the lawyers push for trial. They pushing for like a speedy trial they trying to go to. Like they trying to get all this information out. Now, they went to court for a status hearing. And nothing stuck out to me but this. And Durk is in deep trouble. Because this the guy who who had the guns. This the guy who flew on a plane with Lil Durk. This the guy who made the payments. This the guy who got an OTF credit card. Stipulations and joint requests for a protective order regarding discovery containing personal identifying information, medical information, Privacy Act information, and protected witness materials. Plaintiff, United States of America, through its counsel of record, the United States Attorney for the Central District of California and the Assistant United States Attorneys, I.N. Yanalo, Gregory W. Staples, and Daniel H. Weiner, and defendant Kevin London Grant, defendant through his counsel and record, Peter C. Swarth, collectively the parties, for the reasons set forth below, request that the court enter the proposed protective order. So this guy, he's got a protective order. And everybody from the feds say when they got this, they telling. Everybody from the feds. Y'all from the feds get in the comments. The protective order governing the use and decimation of one personal identifying information of a real person pursuant to federal rule, criminal procedure rule, medical health information material that contain information within the scope of the Privacy Act, information related to a protected witness who may testify at trial, introduction to grounds for a protective order. Hey, look, man, if y'all want to read it, and it says, based on the allegations in the first superseding indictment and the government's understanding of the discovery in this case, the government alleged that there are significant safety concerns for this protective order. And Grant wanted this protective order, y'all. So y'all get in the comments and let me know what y'all think, man. I will be going live later tonight, and I will be talking about this more on the live, man. Lil Durk, to me, fried turkey, if you ask me. Fried turkey, man. That's all I can say. And Grant, the one wanted the protective order. Everybody else ain't got no protective order, ain't asked for no protective order. They never said nothing about a protective order. Nobody else's name is in this. And it say this is only him, basically Grant. So I don't know how Lil Durk gonna get up out of this. I don't know how, man. It's gonna be a fight. He got the best lawyers, but money can't get you out of everything. Now remember, everybody always saying, "Hey, Young Thug got out. Who else? Boosie got out." Hey, those were state cases. You could pay the state off. You can't pay the federal government off. See, the state is like your state versus that. California versus banks. California versus this. It ain't that. It's United States, all 50 states, and they resources against banks and a OTF 5, man. And I just think they done, bro, if you ask me. But this is the protective order. This is new. This is on the government website. So if you want to see it for yourself, you can see it, read it, go through it, break it down, call the lawyer, ask the lawyer about the information. But from everybody who I talked to, and some of the BDs who got out of prison, who got out of federal RICO, who got RICO, they personally told me on their case, the person who had gave them up had this protective order. That's what they said, man. So I can only tell you what the people, who been in this situation before, telling me. But somebody already said that, man, that the Grant guy might be the one that give everybody up. Now, he from Atlanta. Some people say he's some kin of Von them. Balo them say he stole the money and all that. But this same guy who was on a plane, who was in Icebox with King Von, he know, like, he credible. You can't say he ain't credible because we seen this guy around in many situations that he was hanging with them. That he could be the one that say in 2020, Lil Durk offered a bounty for these people. Or he could say anything. But it's still number 2, it's still number 5, and it's still number 4 out there. But Grant, which is OTF Vonnie, he's the only one that has a protective order, man. Y'all get in the comments. Let me know what y'all. Last but not least, man, the government asserts that the record demonstrates good cause to permit the courts to exercise in its discretion and determine whether a protective order is appropriate. Courts consider such factors as the safety of witnesses and others and the danger of witness intimidation. There y'all go, man. That's the update on Lil Durk them. It's out there, man. This paperwork, this federal paperwork. I ain't trying to argue. I ain't trying to box right now. Get in the comments and let me know what y'all think. I will be going live shortly. We're going to talk about this for a few hours because I got school. They cut me off last night, man. I guess time about Drake. We can't say nothing about Drake. He elite. You hear me? So we're going to leave that alone. But I'm going to holler at y'all, man. My 9 is my 9. Hey, go and support my mods, man. The people you see on this screen, running across this screen, Sparks Made Media, all of them, go and support them. Hey, let's say the kids, man. I'm out.